Okay, so now we're going to be looking at the marks that our mark making tools can actually create. You're going to need to create 8 different sections on your page that you're going to fill with a mark, all different marks. Now I know that not everyone is going to have paint at home. If you do, that's fantastic. If you don't, we will have discussed different things that you could have used. So different condiments, mustard, ketchup, barbecue sauce, what are the different colours that are in our fridge there? Do any of you have any food colouring laying around? Could any of you make a strong cup of coffee and use that as a paint instead? I'm going to be using a black ink so that you can really see it on the video. But the methods I use with this black ink, you can use with ketchup, a different condiment, food colouring. You can absolutely use that with tea and coffee if you've made that your paint. So just get creative with it. This project isn't about making perfect images, it's about seeing what you can create out of almost nothing. So I'm going to start with my little interesting cork and toothpick tool that I've got here. I'm going to firstly see how it connects with the ink there, how it holds it. It holds it pretty well. I'm impressed. So first of all, I think what I would like to do is to just drag the tool. How does it react when I just drag it? Very interesting. So we've got a very scratchy mark there. You can see where some of them are grouped together. My tool is moving. It's not necessarily holding its shape very well. It's quite fragile. I might want to add a little bit more tape to it just to hold it a bit better in place. But that was my drag mark. Next, I would like to just see how it works when it's being stippled. So when I say stippled, I mean we're sort of doing this type of motion. So how is it reacting when I do a drop down rather than a drag? There we go. So that's a different type of mark there. Now what else could I do with this tool? Let's dip it in the ink again. Have a little think. Maybe I don't exactly know and I just want to let the tool guide me. Just have a play around. Maybe I want to just do a similar stippling tool but sideways, so it's bigger marks. I've broken my tool there. That's gonna happen, guys. It's happening with me. It happened with Kyra as well. I've already got 3 very different marks there from this one tool, which definitely needs fixing now. See what other ones you can come up with, and I'm going to move on to my different mark making tools now.